Rappa Beauty Products just released their new lip tint collection featuring 3 gorgeous nude shades, and I'm so excited to try them on because nude is my favorite color. Now the first thing that we're gonna try is this one. The first shade is called Confidence. We're gonna swatch it first on my wrist. And look at that peachy nude color. Wow, it's so cute. And then we're gonna try it on the lips. Oh my gosh, this is so good. When the tint dries on your lips, it doesn't feel cracky. It's so smooth, and this peachy nude tone is perfect for dates or even casual outings. Plus, it's transfer proof. Wow, I forgot to say that long-lasting pala to siya, guys. Kailangan ko pa talagang mag-concealer para makapag-swatch tayo sa ibang shade. Charis. Next shade is called Elegance. Honestly, when I swatch it on my hand, nagandahan ako sa kanya kasi para siyang dusty rose nude yung atake. Ang soft niya talagang ilagay sa lips, guys. Like, legit. And look at how pretty it is. Grabe, ang ganda niya, guys. I am literally obsessed. Again, transfer proof and super soft sa lips. The formula is 10 out of 10. So again, magkuskus balukos na naman tayo dito kasi ang hirap niyang tanggalin. Magko-concealer na naman tayo. And last but not the least shade is called Vogue. Now this is what I'm talking about. I think this is my new obsession. This is like the perfect, excellent, magnificent, exceptional, marvelous, wonderful shade that I've ever tried. So define perfection? Vogue talaga ang sagot ko. I would rate this a 1,000 out of 10. Kasi ang super ganda niya, guys. Grabe. Rappa Beauty Products never disappoints. So what are you waiting for? Go get yours.